We have a landscape like none in the area. We have the hills, we have the rolling plains, we have beautiful water facilities. We have so much to do here.
I'm trying to share the beauty of Paoli through the mirror of arts and music events that people from other places come and participate in, and people from Paoli participate in, so that there's this conversation that allows people to be proud of their own skill and their own talent, and also to learn other ways of doing things.
A lot of conversations end with here is, let me know if there's anything I can do for you, or let me know if there's something I can help you with. And I really have grown to love hearing that expression and using it to almost characterize my experience here of that sentiment being directed towards me, but also sentiment directed between friends or people at the market or wherever. And it feels sort of a catalyst for building a community that is strong and resilient, that is sort of a relationship-based community. In this community, another thing I've observed is people saying, well, you have to be able to do sort of everything here. And I think that's so true of how Andy and Kara have transformed this space, and even how much this space has transformed in being the tomato factory.
This building specifically is a warehouse, but this property contained a tomato products company, which was a cannery and processing place that did a lot of tomatoes. So local tomatoes were grown, brought up here in wagons initially, and dumped into vats and processed into juice, tomato juice, into canned goods.
Moved here about 6 years ago to work on a local farm, Living Roots Eco Village, and really just fell in love with the area and the land here, the forest particularly, but also the people, and the people that make up this community here, specifically in Paoli and around the cooperative, but also the tomato factory and other projects we've been involved in.
You're not always a part of the family you're born into. And I think we all have found that with those around us, people that we know, people we take care of, and some folks are just as close to their neighbors as they are their family. There's just a camaraderie here that you don't get in a city or some larger communities because you don't have time.
We all have a sense of belonging very deep inside of us. We want to be in community. We want to be contributors. We want to find our purpose. So quality of place to me means a community that embraces all of those aspects of just being human and leaves room and space for us to develop a community that prospers, that gives back, that also is a legacy to future generations.
The hopes for Paoli, they are boundless. I have been with the Community Foundation a little over 18 years now, and in that 18 years I thought I could really make a difference, and I see that we have, and for every step forward you see more and more that is needed. We were the second county to become involved with the new Center for Rural Engagement program when it started several years ago. They have become engaged with us in so many ways, and the beauty of CRE is that they have remained engaged with us.
The CRE is a great partner. When you're wanting to take on big ideas, you need partnership with people that have more capacity than you.
So in Paoli, we started a project a while back we called it the Modest House Project. And the goal was to create a smaller scale house that was energy efficient, that could fit into an infill lot in the downtown area. It was a project that had a lot of fits and starts. When we were able to step out of the way and the community started leading the project, and we stepped in when they needed some help. In this case, for this project, it was design help. The project became successful.
Center for Rural Engagement has had a tremendous impact on the town of Paoli and Orange County as a whole. Just in the few short years we've been working together, I can only imagine what we might be able to do in years to come.